cozy little house on a sunny old street lived Tom the cat with paws so neat. He stretched and yawned with a confident grin. I'm the boss around here, let the day begin. But under the table, quiet and small, lived Jerry the mouse, cleverest of all, with twinkling eyes and a whiskered smile. He peeked out softly just for a while. Tom heard a scurry, a tip-tap-toe, his ears went up, I knew it, hello! He tiptoed slowly across the floor, planning to catch Jerry once and for more. Jerry zipped left, Jerry zipped right, laughing softly or too slow tonight. He slid past pillows, chairs and shoes. Tom slipped and spun, oh no, what a mess to choose. Crash, bang, boom went the kitchen pan. Tom chased fast as he can. Jerry jumped high and hid in a cup. Tom looked inside, surprise, he popped up. Tom's tail got tangled, his paws went plop. He slid on soap, flip, flop, flop. Jerry giggled and waved hello, then zoomed away. Bye, Tom, too slow. Shiny and bright, and the house grew calm in the quiet night. Tom sat tired with a sigh so deep, while Jerry peeked out before his sleep. Jerry shared cheese, just a tiny bite. Tom smiled softly, alright, alright. They sat together, no chase, no fight, just stars above and a peaceful night. But don't be fooled when the sun says hi. The race will start in the blink of an eye, with traps and tricks and laughter galore. Tom and Jerry will play once more, so clap your hands and laugh out loud for this funny pair that makes us proud. Through chases, chaos, and silly fun, Tom and Jerry, best laughs under the sun.